The goat finally cried. Lazarus pleaded with the ancestors and they welcomed Ubavumile. Udab seemed suspicious the entire time. It's like there's something that she knows about the situation with Lazarus. And then Ubavumile got sick the minute they got to Johannesburg. They had to rush him to hospital. Mawethu did not get the CIO position. Instead, Lazarus brought in someone new, Onga. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So everyone was panicking. Zweleka was super stressed because the goat wasn't crying. Definitely not looking belesele, stressing her out, saying, "Hey, madam, Miss Bikicha, Miss Zweleka, why the goat is not crying?" Apa Dubs is observing what's going on. Kwenzakalani because Zweleka ended up snapping. And then Tata Lazarus ended up intervening because he saw ukuthi the goat is not crying. So as that angena ancenga kubaba phansi ukuthi please ojola sencenga man, we apologize if there's something wrong that we did. And then told Lazarus to speak to the ancestors. Lazarus is busy speaking, Shem, poor Lazarus. Ubhizi uyancenga ukuthi kuma-sisters akhe ukuthi bamukele umntwana. Ayi uDabs angena endlini athatha umntwana, goes to the kraal ebuhlanti. Uzoleka now is panicking ukuthi bamisaphi manje ubavumile wami. Goes to the kraal and gives umntwana to Lazarus, saying that Lazarus khawuthatha umntwana, hold the baby while you plead the ancestors so that they can hear you. Bancenge ubamba umntwana. Everyone is shocked now because now what is the baby doing ebuhlanti? Umagaba noLukhanya, I think they seemed a bit worried because why are they bringing the baby ebuhlanti at the kraal? And then Dubs was like, "Thatha umntwana esiGcibo. Thetha nabo, talk to them. Tell them why this is important. Tell them why it's important ukuba bamukele umntwana and all that." And then it seemed like there's something that she knows because she said it in a way that Lazarus needs to convince them and just like pour his heart out and tell them why it's important for them to accept the baby. It's like there's something that she knows because the way she intervened, it's like she was trying to save Lazarus from something. Lazarus took the baby Vumile and started speaking. He poured his heart out and spoke to the ancestors, going on about, "It's me, your son uScibo. I'm bringing my son Vumile." And then he said he struggled so much. They know how much he struggled to have kids. He's been alone all this time. And now he's got a son. And all thanks to them because he believes that they brought Zweleka into his life so that she can gift him with a son. So now he's asking the Jola clan to welcome Bavumile because Bavumile is their son. And the minute he said that, he said Ubavumile is his life and he's their son and Ubavumile is his life. Like Ubavumile is his pride. And then the minute he said that, the goat cried. Like it was just like the goat just cried. Everyone was just relieved. The relief kuzoleka. She was so relieved. Like she was holding even Zake. She was so relieved. Everyone was ululating. Omagaba, they were relieved. Also, no Dubs. Dubs was just like, finally, no Tata, you can just see Tata now is happy. Oh, the relief for Lazarus was how did we pull this off? How did the goat cry? And then so now they're happy. But okay, finally the goat cried, so it means the ancestors have accepted Ubavumile. So Umagaba was speaking to Dubs, going on with hi. We're grateful ukuthi my sisters amukele Ubavumile and all that. And then Dubs says that uNancema must speak to Lazarus and because Zweleka and Lazarus need to get married. But uNancema doesn't agree, saying that no man, Lazarus has been married too many times, don't you think? And then Lazarus rushes off to meet with Zweleka. They're celebrating with, like this whole thing worked in our favor. Finally, now we can go back to Gauteng and be a family. They're so happy. And then Nancema notices with how Dubs, it's like something is off. What's happening? Do you not like Zweleka? What's happening? Dubs tried to brush her off, going on about no, there's nothing. But then you can see she's in deep thoughts. And then just before they leave, Dubs Ubavumile and says, when a baby is born in this family, I always know who they look like. But with Bavumile, it's a bit tricky. I can't tell really what to find noban. Lazarus jumped in and said, it means our genes got pick each other very strong. But as he grows up, I'm sure the Ngugana genes will also like show. Bavumelana ke notatakhe, and then uDabs realizes ukuthi hayi man, ubavumile is a bit temperature ke high, and tells Zoleka ukuthi akamgade ke because she feels like umntana temperature is too high. And then they leave ke, go back to Joburg. And then basahlele endlini, Daphne comes to call them. Uzoleka noLazarus ukuthi hey umntana uyachisa, umntana is sick, ubavumile is sick. They rush to him, and then they find that temperature is very high now. And then they try to call the hospital. Lazarus is now calling, saying, hey, I'm Bavumile's father. I'm a proud dad. Hey, a proud dad, that one. Saying, I'm Bavumile's father. We are on our way. Right. So they rush the baby to hospital. I hope, Shem, it's not this welcoming ceremony that's now making the baby sick. And then Umawet is out celebrating a position because he did not get a rejection email. So it assumed that he got the position. Only to get that email when he's busy at Palette, ordering drinks and spoiling everyone. He gets that email. He was so disappointed. Mind you, now he has to pay a bill of a celebration that was not really supposed to happen. And then Lazarus introduces a new member. So there's a new CIO. Uongamhlongo. He comes, this guy. Mawetu seems like Mawetu is still like bitter, obviously, because this guy took the job that he really wanted. So this guy comes, Uonga. He seems bubbly. He seems like someone who's ready to work. Apparently, he's got an international career and all that. Obviously, Muntuka Lazarus, because if he's someone that is international, obviously he has impressed him in some other places. So now he's bringing him in because he thinks he's going to be an asset to Kusela. So like people seem to like him. Even Ukawe seems to like him. And then Ukawe asks a question, Guti, so what happens if you mess up? And I don't know, if we mess up, we fix it. Responsibility like is good because we can deliver. But if you blame other people, then that's cheap. Ulinda will not be passed by Ukawe. There's no way Ebony Ndoda decides what's nice. She's going to ask a question. Shoots a stupid question. And then it seemed like, Mawetu is going to be Enemiga, Onga is going to be Enemiga Mawetu because one, he took the job that he wanted. Two, seems like Kai already likes this guy. So they're probably going to date, which is going to be like, go Olinde, Mawetu usazogoa, hey? Like, you can't have anyone Kawe. So now a guy who took his position and now taking his girlfriend. And then Udais makes Tsaki aware of how. I'm getting paid now. How much are you getting? I'm just getting fees. You need to get money. Tsaki says she just wants 25,000. Udais pushes Uti and he wants 20% of whatever Sydney is getting. And then wants Utsaki to also get 200,000 rand. Sydney is very selfish. I think didn't want to give them so much money. But then he realized they're doing all the work and Udais is not bulging. So he opted out because Utsaki was just wanted 25,000 just to pay for the electricity bill. But Udais came through for her. She was so happy. Could see she's gonna get so much money from this gig. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.